Hey guys, welcome back to my part 2 video. So I was just recording part 1, but that video was leading into 20 minutes and I'm trying to cut my videos a little bit shorter. So welcome back. If you have not seen part 1, I suggest that you go to the description and visit part 1 first. And this is some of the stuff that I've already unboxed in part 1. So it's a little bit of a spoiler alert, but we have the last item that I got from LV, which I will be unboxing in this part 2 video. So stay watching if you're interested. So here's the second box that I will be unboxing from LV in part 2. So if you still have not seen my part 1 video, today's Easter. So happy Easter, everyone. I wanted to wish everyone a great holiday, and my favorite animal is bunnies. So this weekend is like a happy weekend for me to do all of this unboxing for you guys. So let's get started. City of Stars. Let me add it to my perfume collection. So just got two, one from part 1, unboxing that Pochette Valley, and now part 2, second one. If you haven't seen my fun unboxing of my LV perfume samples, and then where I put all the samples on this Chanel tray, I will link it down in the description for you guys to take a look. I try to make it like a short, so it's not that long. Do you guys have any guesses what I might have got? The shape is round, and it's one of my favorite shapes or silhouettes from Louis Vuitton. So I got the fuchsia pink True Speedy. Yeah, I think that's what they call it, the True Speedy. So I'll put a photo over here. And wow, it's the first time seeing her. I decided to get the fuchsia pink because I've been getting a lot of the blue denim stuff from Coach or from LV, and I thought that this would be a nice pop color. And it can act as a bag charm. It can also fit a lot of stuff, so I don't know if you could tell by the size, but because my hands are small, but it basically is the size of my hand. And because it's so soft and pliable, you can fit like a lot of stuff. I'll try to see what kind of things that I can fit in here by taking some of the stuff from my current bag and putting her in here. Okay, so let's remove her from the wrapper. And this keychain is not those typical D-rings. It's one of these where I have a few keychains from LV that uses the same mechanism. I think you lift it. So yeah, you lift it and then you move it up like that. So it's not easy to like steal. I mean, like, unless you know how the mechanism works. But yeah, I just thought that this is super cute and can be like a pop of color to my new Pochette Valley as well. So in part 1, I unboxed this blue denim Pochette Valley, also from the LV denim line. And this was the third item. The J notebook and the denim stole. I recently unboxed these two. This is my third denim and now my fourth item from the denim collection. I also added my bunny charm, which can fit like an AirPod, or I don't use AirPods, I use Samsung, so earplugs can also fit in here. So just for fun, let's see how she looks on the Pochette Valley. Super cute. So now let's take a look at what can fit in this True Speedy. Basically, it's a pochette. So if I open her, similar to the Pochette Valley, it has smaller LV. The outside of the denim has medium-sized LV monogram, and then inside is the mini. And there's no specific tag, but if we look at it here, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but yeah, I did at one time think whether I should get the fuchsia Pochette Valley and a smaller denim, the True Speedy, in the blue. So basically the swap of these colors, but I find that the blue denim is a lot more I guess classic in a way in terms of denim color. And I recently got the wash denim, like, or you could call it acid wash, which I'm really buying. So I thought, why not get a smaller item in this fuchsia, because I have a lot of like accent accessories that are pink as well, so I thought this would be a better match for my closet. So as I said, let's see what can fit in her. This was also unboxed in part 1. I got a Coach Kiss Lock pouch as well from Mercari, as well as this Murakami vintage wallet. I think this is called Zippy wallet. Yeah. So inside is also, you can see, like a burgundy. This is like a darker burgundy color in microfiber. It's not suede, but it's kept in really good condition, considering it was a pre-loved item. This is also a pre-loved item, and I got this at a super good deal. And this is like a 20-year-old wallet. Like, compared to many others that I saw online, this had the best quality and was kept in the best condition. Yeah, I got it from like a really reliable seller, so I'm super happy with this. And yeah, so sorry about that. I digress. Let's check her out and what could fit in this little, it's actually not little, like I said, it can fit quite a bit. We will unbox. So I think let's start off with lipsticks. Let's see how many lipsticks of this size can fit into the True Speedy. So here we have an LV lip balm. I just changed the cap to the container. And if you see the lipstick, these are the lip balms. Okay. And this one is also new during Valentine's Day, the YSL collection. It's very similar in color. They're both lip balms. But yeah, they're very similar. I would say that the LV one is a little bit darker, and this one has more glitter. Not sure if you can see that. Yep. But I'm loving the design and the sparkle on this. So let's see how they fit in the True Speedy. So it can fit 2. I'll be back. I'm going to grab some more lippies to put in here. 1 second. Okay guys, I have a bunch more that we can try and see what can fit. Let me just put my Coach roll-in bag back in position. Okay, and here we have 2, 4, 6, 8 lippies that I brought. Let's see how many can fit. So in here we already have these two. I'm going to try to bring in the regular size one. So this is the third one. Number 4. An Hermes lipstick. 5. CD lip balm. 6. And I think, to be honest, you can probably put 2 more, but I think I don't want to like make it too stuffy, so it could actually fit 7 in my opinion. This was done Mercari. I added my signature to the body of this lippy. Super pretty lipstick. See, it says Lings. And then, as you can see, it says Guerlain. And we can fit her right in there. Actually, it would only fit 7, I think. Won't even be able to fit 8. It's up to the rim. And I can close this. So normally I wouldn't be putting so many lippy sticks, but just to show you guys how many lipsticks it could hold hold 7 of the relatively standard size lipsticks. So to take them back out, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally 7 lipsticks. Could fit all of these lipsticks that I was just holding. So pretty impressive. Quite happy with this and all of my new items bought. And that's it, guys. So these are the items that I recently bought from Mercari and LV. Hope you guys enjoyed my Easter weekend massive hauling and unboxing. And if you guys have any questions on any of the items, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed and like these type of unboxing videos where I unbox all things pretty, go down below and like and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification so you don't miss any type of unboxings similar to this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye, guys.
Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away. Is magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy high, heartbeats wild when you pass by. Wish I could say, hey, it's you I adore, but I'm just a girl you ignore. Strawberry skies, wonder why, falling hard like fireflies. One day you'll see this love I can hide and dance with me in the neon light. Lunchroom chaos, you're with the crowd. I sip my soda, trying to act out. Whisper jokes with my bestie Sue. Go talk to him, I just can't move. Playlist songs on repeat all night. Imagine slow dancing, holding you tight. Your Insta story